Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your issues or problems that you have on WeChat. To know how to find the solution about your WeChat, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we will enter to the window of app of WeChat. Then this page we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, but in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about WeChat. If you will find here updating this blue sign, then you can update your application to fix that problem you have on the application of WeChat as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.